TFNN. Headline News Update.
Hi everyone, Basil Chapman here. Last day of April for the market, and we're looking at the Dow down 100 at 33,960. Look at the way this resistance has been. It's almost as if there's a repellent line that just reverses the price every time it gets there. And what are we looking at? Today's price will be at about 34,020. If it can get there, if it breaks above that, that's going to be very positive, because Sunday night it's going to be really important how the market acts. Let me just, in my show coming up, the Target Conditions Hour, in another couple of moments, I'm going to be talking about the what ifs, and we'll do that in a moment. So we're looking at the S&P, also down at this point, down 15 at 41.95, made an all-time high yesterday, and that's going to be very important, because if we break above that high, I think we'll be going higher for the week. So this is going to be important how we close out today and close out Sunday going into Monday's opening. And look at the QQQ. The Q is also down, even though you had some spectacular results this past week, down $1.22 at 338.98. Off the all-time high that was made yesterday, in fact. Yep, all-time high yesterday. Look at the IWM. A green candle, but it's down 83 cents at 227.16. So if these green candles off the low, but not yet positive, turn down intraday, then you'll start to see selling, because you've got end-of-the-month buying coming in. It's not working at this particular point. We'll see what's going on. Look at gold. Gold is unchanged. It's down $1 at 1767, stuck in that same lower highs and lower lows cone formation. It's very important next week that it holds 1740, and if it can break into the 1788, 1792 area, that's going to be good. But look at this. The dollar is actually having a doji candle, leg D, going to a trough D this morning, made a peak D in the Chapman Wave methodology at 93.44 back in March. Plummeted down to yesterday's low of 90.42, trading right now at 90.90. And coincidentally, remember I spoke about this yesterday and the day before, doji candle occurred yesterday in leg D in the euro-dollar currency pair, and now it's sharply down at 1.207. It's down, and we're going to be watching this very closely. We want to look at crude oil. Crude oil at this particular point is trading down sharply at that peak D we spoke about. I had a whole section of about 20 stocks and indices that were in Ds in the Chapman Wave, the fourth highest peak. You've got to be careful. And look at this pullback coming up.